Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to use AI to create a clear and organized study guide from large amounts of material. Whether it's notes, textbooks, or even Google Slides, AI can make the process a whole lot easier. Welcome to our channel. MaxLexiBot explores every facet of AI to help you unlock its full potential, making it a powerful tool to enhance your learning, creativity, and productivity. Let's get started. Step 1. Collect your materials. First, gather all your study materials, notes, textbooks, or Google Slides presentations. Basically anything that covers the content you need to review. Step 2. Load your content into AI. Now, let's talk about how to actually get your material into the AI. If you're working with text documents or notes, you can copy and paste the content directly into an AI platform like ChatGPT. If you're working with Google Slides, one option is to export the slides as a PDF or text file and then copy the text into the AI. For images or complex diagrams, AI tools like Google Vision can help convert visuals into text, which you can then process further with ChatGPT or other AI tools. Step 3. Prompting AI for the best results. Once your content is in the AI, it's important to craft the right prompts to get the most accurate and helpful results. For example, instead of just saying, "Summarize this," you might want to be more specific with your instructions. Try something like, "Can you summarize the key points from this section in 3 to 5 bullet points?" Or, "Create a study guide from this text, organizing it by key concepts and definitions." The more precise your prompt, the better the AI will be at delivering what you need. Step 4. Organize the material into categories. Once AI has summarized your notes, ask it to help break down the material into categories. For example, you can organize the content into sections like key concepts, important dates, or key definitions. The AI can even help you group related topics together for a more structured study guide. Step 5. Summarize and refine the content. AI can help you create concise summaries for each category. Simply ask the AI to summarize each section in bullet points or short sentences. This keeps everything clear and to the point, which is perfect for quick review. Step 6. Generate practice questions. Want to test your understanding? AI can generate practice questions based on your study material. Just input a section of your notes and ask the AI to create quiz questions for you to answer. It's a great way to reinforce what you've learned. Step 7. Add visuals and diagrams. If you're studying a subject like science, AI can even help create diagrams and visual aids. You can ask it to generate flowcharts, timelines, or diagrams to help you visualize complex processes and concepts. Step 8. Review and refine. Once you've got your study guide, take a moment to review it. Check if the summaries are clear, the categories make sense, and the practice questions are helpful. If anything feels off, you can ask AI to tweak or add more details. And that's it. With the help of AI, you've turned your pile of material into a comprehensive, organized study guide in just a few steps. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use a little AI-powered study help. Happy studying, and I'll see you in the next video.